Hi guys, welcome to my small farm. This is my Scooby Ducks. My Scooby Ducks are very healthy and very clean. Did you see that, guys? This is my Muscovy Duck small family. Everyone is waiting for feeding program. Did you see that plastic, guys? I put that plastic for breeders Muscovy Ducks. I put that plastic because she was comfortable in that place. So let me show you the Muscovy duck breeding herself. Did you see that, guys? That is my Muscovy duck breeding herself. Video. Hi to my video. And this guy, he called me lost your mind because I got her video. And this is my DIY cage. If the one breeding herself and he is going to this cage. Thank you guys for supporting my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this other cage is my chicks. I buy this 10 pieces. 10 pieces is for $10,000. Very expensive chicks because one chicks is, if he grow up, he could 5 pieces eggs per day. So that very expensive chicks. So that's we called skull chicken. If you have a poultry, this is the one you should buy chicken for your poultry, because this chicken is very demand in the nation, because the eggs is very speeding for your, if your country is very demand egg, you should buy this chicken. If you buy this chicken, please comment in the comment section and I will show you the shop of the chickens. And this one chicken is a native and we call them layao. Her chicks is sick because the chicken is lack for vitamins. And this is the other one, layao, guys. Layao is native, it's called native chicken. And this is the other cage in my chicken farm. Let me show you the other cage. And this is the DIY cage, and this is the DIY door of cage. So guys, let's start farming. The chickens is very hungry. Here everyone is waiting for feeding program of my poultry house. And this chicken is breeding herself, and this is the, and these two chickens is called Bisaya, and this is Hulu chicken. And this chicken Hulu is breeding too, and this she's egg 8 pieces per day. Very amazing chicken. So that's why very expensive chicken. So let's feed her. Let's feeding time. First, the Scooby Duck feeds. And the second is chicks, the very expensive $10,000. If you are planning for poultry, this is one I suggest you. This Scooby Duck is very easy to manage and very easy to many of their lives. So start now. Did you know my capital in poultry, in my small poultry? If you know, my capital is $20,000. Small capital for poultry. So my poultry is very simple and very managing because I could never stress in my poultry because my poultry is very small, and this is the one I chose because my money is very hungry. So start invest in the poultry because the poultry is very easy to manage. Ha? Ginapantong na sa ano, sa piso. Para na yung wala ka na ganito. Ha? Oh.